Hey guys, it's Patrick from Belleville Learning Academy, and today I'll be showing you how to add reflections in glasses. Let's get to it. Okay, so first, what you want to do is have two pictures ready. The picture of the person with the glasses, and the picture you want to use as a reflection. First, what you want to do is take the picture of the reflection, and you want to just paste that into the picture of the guy with the glasses. Then you want to adjust the opacity, say about probably just about like 75, so you can still see the picture behind it. And this is just temporary. Alright, so what you want to do is press it's called hold shift, so you can keep the picture the same size. And then what you want to do is reposition it so it's on the glasses. After that, you just want to like crop out the part of the picture that you don't need, and then return the opacity back to normal. After that, you want to duplicate the layer, select the layer, and then move it to the other glass.